All right, so here we are. We got the vehicle back down on the ground. I've got my oil here. This is 5 quarts of oil. This vehicle actually carries about 6.5 quarts. So we're gonna use this plus these 2 small bottles that are sitting here, and we'll check the oil level as we add oil to it. So of course I wanna use a funnel. I don't wanna spill any oil on top of the engine because when it spills, it goes down and makes a mess. So we want to try and prevent that. So here is my first 5 quarts of oil. It's going to break the seal here, and we're going to pour this into the motor. So here's our fresh oil going in. Take just a second. Just want to make sure that we don't get oil anywhere because it's very difficult to clean up once you spill it on top of the motor. There we go. Okay, so here's the first 5 quarts. I know that this takes a little more than 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour in my 6th quart. Try and do this without getting it everywhere. There we go. Okay, so the next step here is we're going to be required to start the engine. And the reason why we need to start the engine is we need to build oil pressure inside the engine to fill the oil filter housing back with oil, because the oil filter carries a small amount of oil. We have to make sure that we fill it up in order for us to get a proper oil fill read. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So I'm going to go off camera real quick. I'm going to start the vehicle, turn it back off, and then we're going to use the dipstick here to check the oil level, and then that will tell us how much of this other quart we need to add to the vehicle. So let me start the vehicle.